So my background is several years on the Hamilton Health Sciences Board, and today I'm chair of the Bay Area Climate Change Council. I've been doing that for about 7 years. Okay, so Juravinski is almost 100 years old, and healthcare is generally a very high resource user and contributes an awful lot to carbon inputs into our community. So it's really important that we do something to upgrade the facility so that it meets the standards that we would like to see today and make the community healthier and safer. Toronto's 13 largest hospitals are already going ahead with the redevelopment plans and with climate targets. So why Hamilton, we need to do the same thing. We need to be in the same boat. In fact, we have an opportunity to take a leadership role by advancing our work, and Juravinski gives us that opportunity, but especially when we get the kind of funding we're getting from the province. Sustainable design and development really contributes to be able to manage carbon inputs into the community. And by doing something with the Juravinski allows us to reduce GHG emissions, make a healthier planet, healthier place for our population who attend, and place for our kids